Are you a content creator? Well, let me ask you this. Are you an entrepreneur, a business owner, a social media personality? Have you blew up on Instagram or TikTok because of the views you share around certain social or political issues? Do you curate information that goes on a website, write a blog? Are you an author? Are you a nonprofit organizer, marketer, or a person who is in the digital space sharing information? Maybe you send out daily quotes in a Facebook group that you moderate. Then stop scrolling. I want to tell you about Creators Unleashed. I'm Charles Jackson, founder of Charles Jackson Media. I'm an author, speaker, and leadership strategist. And I have the absolute pleasure of being one of the many VIP speakers at Creators Unleashed. This is a 2-day mini conference starting September 8th, running through September 9th. It is a way to gain information, insight, tools, tricks of the trade on how to properly deliver content, especially in this digital age. There are diverse speakers with decades of experience converging on this one conference that is sponsored by Ecamm and RTN Streams. You don't want to miss it. Hear this. This is a free event, but the value that is going to be brought by this lineup of speakers is invaluable and is worth thousands of dollars. So don't hesitate. Go right now. The link is below, jphightek.com/CCU, so you can get your free seat at the table before this conference is full. I look forward to seeing you there.